This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Tiffany Schouest. Welcome home to this 4-bedroom 2-bath single-family home. This home features a large family room with high ceilings and a wood-burning fireplace. The spacious kitchen has beautiful white cabinets with plenty of storage and counter space. Sliding glass doors from the dining room lead you into a huge 30 by 22 feet covered, screened lanai. Spend quality time relaxing outside in your above-ground swimming pool. A new central air and heating unit was just installed. Best of all, there is no HOA and a large concrete parking pad, so bring your boat, camper or toys. Don't delay, this one won't last long. For more information, review the details below or contact Tiffany Schouest at 985-696-6050.